Welcome to AI Beat, where we track the pulse of the artificial intelligence revolution. If you wanted to capture the story of AI in mid-2025, you would tell a tale of two realities. It is a story of explosive, undeniable growth colliding with a wall of human and technical friction. The developments from July 30th and 31st paint a vivid picture of this great paradox. A technology reaching mass adoption while simultaneously revealing deep and complex challenges. Let's start with the explosion. The numbers are simply staggering. A new report shows that in the first half of 2025, the revenue for generative AI applications doubled and downloads surged to an incredible 1.7 billion. This isn't a niche tech trend, this is a tidal wave of mainstream adoption. This is further proven by another stunning metric. AI platforms generated over 1.1 billion referrals in a single month, a year-over-year increase of 357%. This tells us that AI is no longer just a destination. It's becoming the new engine of the internet, fundamentally changing how we discover information and interact with the digital world. We're seeing this play out in real time with major brands. Delta Airlines is now integrating generative AI into its ticketing system, aiming to streamline the customer experience. This is a clear signal of AI moving into the core, customer-facing operations of legacy industries. Even cautious government bodies are getting on board. The state of Delaware has just released a policy officially permitting state employees to use tools like ChatGPT, a significant step in legitimizing AI as a standard tool for the public sector. But here is where our story pivots from the incredible boom to the sobering reality check. For every story of success, there is another of struggle. The respected analyst firm Gartner has delivered a dose of realism, reporting that generative AI for procurement has officially entered the trough of disillusionment. This is a classic phase in the life cycle of any major technology. The initial inflated hype has passed, and now companies are facing the difficult, unglamorous work of implementation, confronting the practical complexities of making AI deliver a real return on investment. This disillusionment is not just technical, it's deeply human. In a truly shocking finding, a recent survey has revealed that nearly one-third of employees, 31%, admit to actively sabotaging their company's generative AI strategy. This uncovers a massive internal hurdle to adoption. It points to a deep disconnect between management and staff, fueled by fears of job displacement, a lack of proper training, or a fundamental misunderstanding of the technology's purpose. This internal friction is compounded by a growing external threat: security. A new report highlights that shadow AI, the unauthorized use of AI tools by employees, is a significant driver of the rising costs of data breaches. And in a stark warning to the entire industry, an incident involving Amazon's own AI coding tools has exposed significant, often overlooked security flaws in generative AI systems. The race to deploy this technology has created vulnerabilities, and securing them is now a paramount challenge. Nowhere is this duality more apparent than in the job market. Reports from US News and Bloomberg are detailing the two-sided nature of AI's impact. On one hand, AI is contributing to tech worker layoffs and automating tasks traditionally performed by entry-level workers, making the job hunt harder than ever for recent college graduates. But on the other hand, we see massive proactive efforts to address this shift. The technology consulting giant, Cognizant, is attempting to set a world record for the largest online AI hackathon, an initiative designed to rapidly upskill thousands of its employees in AI literacy. This is the new reality, a constant, urgent need to adapt to a workforce being reshaped in real time. So, with all these challenges, disillusionment, sabotage, security flaws, and job disruption, why is the momentum still so strong? Because the promise of what this technology can do is truly world-changing. This week, we saw a glimpse of that promise in its purest form. The biotech company Profluent has published groundbreaking research in the prestigious journal Nature, detailing how they use generative AI to design novel gene editing tools. This is AI as a partner in fundamental scientific discovery, a tool that could accelerate breakthroughs in medicine and our understanding of life itself. This cutting edge is also being sharpened by the industry's brightest minds. Bloomberg's AI engineers have just presented an improved methodology for agent tool calling. In simple terms, this is about making AI agents much smarter and more capable of interacting with other software, a critical step towards the autonomous AI assistants of the future. And overseeing all of this is a growing framework of governance, highlighted by the release of the US government's comprehensive 2025 AI Action Plan, a strategy designed to guide this powerful technology. Looking back at the past 2 days, the narrative is one of powerful contradiction. We have a technology experiencing exponential growth while simultaneously hitting a wall of real-world implementation challenges. We have a tool that promises to cure diseases while also creating deep anxieties about our jobs and security. The story of AI today is the story of navigating this friction. The winners of this new era will be the ones who can embrace the phenomenal promise of this technology while honestly and directly confronting its profound and complex challenges. Thank you for tuning in to AI Beat. Join us next time as we continue to track the developments shaping our world.